In this episode, we will be learning how to enable Autoplay GIFs on Zangi. To enable Autoplay GIFs on Zangi Messenger app is super easy. Open the Zangi application on your mobile device and log into your account. Once you're inside the home page of Zangi, tap on the Settings button at the bottom right corner. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Chats. Now, scroll all the way down from the Chats tab and look for Autoplay GIFs option. Make sure that the button is toggled on right next to Autoplay GIFs. Once you have it enabled and it turns into blue color, you will then be able to enable Autoplay GIFs on Zangi Messenger app. Now once enabling this setting, GIFs will now autoplay in your chats. So that is how you can easily enable Autoplay GIFs on Zangi Messenger application using your mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Zangi tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.